looking really nice. Move by. Bye-bye. So there you go, people. In this video I'm gonna show how I finally made this one, yeah, from beginning to end. And yeah, I finally figured out how to do the proper settings for the camera, so that's good now. And yeah, let's get to it. Let's go. You will see that the first shots of the video, the camera is still not perfect. Okay, let's get at it. Let's go. So there we goes. Yes, finally, let's get back to it, to this one. Okay, now I got those, and I have the material. I bought 2 pieces, so today I just let it open only for this, to finish this, so I can finally send it to sandblasting and powder coating and so. At the end I needed to make them all, you know, like a matrix, so I can bend it around it, because if I was using only loose parts, it was getting loose, it was bubbling and moving, and I was like, okay, I need to fix this. And I don't like to weld on the welding table, like on it, like literally like welded on this, in this one. But in this case, there was no other option. So let's try now to bend it all around it, and let's see. Let's see. I'm curious if I'm gonna make it or not, but I think this is the best thing that I can do right now. So let's see. But step 1, it's done. Okay, it's actually looking really good. Yes, has some how you say, for the heat, you know, they lose a little bit, but that's fine. They lose a little bit of material, you can see there and there, but it's fine. This is looking good. So now I'm gonna let it cool off, then measure, and then I need to do the bend, this bend like this. But actually this one is not correct. I need to take this one. So yeah, if I pull it off, I will be done with it, and then I can weld it and send it away. So it wasn't easy, so let's see. So let's see. Right now I'm getting there. I'm almost there, but I'm really taking step by step, like just pressure, more pressure, more pressure, more pressure, because it's really tough to make it, yeah, that both at the same time go low. So I put the pressure in the middle, and even though I did that, I can see that this one is a tiny little bit higher than this one. So what I did is I put more pressure now in here, and now they are almost even. So yeah, I'm happy with this, but still I think I'm gonna bend it a little bit more once I first check it, but now I need to let it cool off, and then yeah, then I'm gonna feed it in here and see how far I am, because I'm still far as I know. Maybe I tested now and it's just perfect, but yeah, I don't think so. I think it needs to be a tiny little bit more, but I don't want to overdo it, so yes. Okay, let's have a break, have some food, let it cool down, and then come back and yeah, test it and see what's going on. Yeah. So there you go, people. I just made it loose, okay? Let's see how chicken I thought, oh, I will need to bend it and whatever, you know? But guess what? I fucking nailed it. What the fuck? Wait a minute. Ta-ka-ta. So yeah, that curve is perfect. Like it's gonna be like about here. So voila. Yeah, let's cut it, put it on the frame, make it fit, because the angle here is a little bit, I think, a little bit closer than the one is in the frame. So this distant. Yeah, you see, it's a tiny little bit more close. So I will need to modify this, and yeah, you see, no, that's the thing. Look at that. So cool, so much work just for this tiny little thing. Oh my god. So yeah, how many times I tried this? Well, I will say it later on. If I weld it and everything is perfect, I will say it. So yep, that's what I wanted. Still, it's not welded, as you can see, okay, and it's not aligned yet, not yet, okay, but yeah, that's what I wanted. And now this side, let's see, you can see here I still need to make it work, you see, so I need to give it more love. So now I'm gonna make the pants that go in here, both sides, so for here and for there. I'm gonna machine this one a little bit from the inside because it has some rest. And yeah, this is gonna end up being like this. So sexy, really sexy. That's exactly what I wanted, and it's looking great. Hopefully I can show it properly. So there you go. Okay, focus, please. So yeah, so this is just a piece of pipe. Just machine it a little bit and wipe to do this. So you can see here that this edge is still rough, so I still need to machine it. Okay, clean it up, but this is the idea. Okay, tack. Okay, and then this one is gonna go in here, and then I will clean up all this and weld it around. Oh no. Okay, this is not going to work in this side, at least, of course. Okay, let's see. Machine, more machining. Yes. dashboard. I will show the detail. Of course, it's not tied up, okay? The saddle still, it's not proper fit, you know? It makes you doubt about everything, of course. That's what happened to me. But yeah, it's looking really nice. I'll show it close by. So yeah, looks like this now, okay. Voila. So that's why I say this one actually needs to go like this, but it's not tied up, you see? Voila. But perfect, I love it. So if you're thinking right now, what is the next move with this one? Well, actually right now, I need to ask to the owner if he wants to have like a holder here, like this, like a Norton normal one. I will show it somewhere on the camera, I don't know where. And or just make a plate like in the Dominator, like this little plate that goes here in the middle with 2 holes, and then you can put the fender, hold it like this, clack, and that's it. So yeah, let's ask that, and in the meantime I'm gonna just double check everything on the frame, the scratches, and so if everything is well done. I see here now and I'm like, this could be better. So I'm gonna do a little retouch here and there. So yeah, that's it. Okay, so I got an answer, and what we're going to do now is just to put this like in a Norton 850, like original, this one that you put like this, or like 750 Commando, and then you put the fender and voila. So yes, done here. Now I retouch here a little bit and just a tiny little bit there, but that's all. For the rest, everything is looking good and nice. So this is done, and yeah, now I just need to send it to powder coating. So let's do that. There you go, people. That's all for this video. I hope you like it. And yeah, if you like to help the channel, you can do so by buy me a coffee or share this channel with somebody you might think they will like it. Like, subscribe, and you can do a super thanks. There's somewhere here underneath too. So yeah, see you in the next video. Ciao, ciao. One more thing, hit me in the comment. Ciao.